So today we will learn about the Microsoft Word 2007, not the whole part but only of the home page. So first of all, let us see what we have at first. At first we have the paste option. At this paste, if we have anything copied, then we can paste it. So I have copied this. Okay, this is a background image. So if I want to make it larger, then we have to drag this, and if we want to make it larger from the corner, we can do this. Okay, so it has become as we want. Am I right? Yes. So now this is a place where I have pasted it. Okay, so it is pasted. At first we have learned that how to paste. Okay, now so here you can see, then it is a font. Let me come here. Okay, so if I come here to write anything, so it is selected, so I have deselect, so I have to deselect it as first. Okay, so it is selected. So now if we want to write anything, see, I have written this, the same word J. Okay, so here RSDGRHKK, then 2 slash, then apostrophe. So now what we want to do, that if we want to change the style of this writing, then what we have to do, then we have to see, this is the Calibri, it is written here. So now we have to change it from here. So if I want this, okay, so I want this ink free, so it will be this, like this. So if I want to type more, see, this will be in this letter also. You can't understand this properly, so what to do? So now we have to change the font size. So to change the font size, we have to come this font size and then take the desired font we like. So at first we have to select it and then make it this. So see, I need this, so you can see it clearly now. Am I right? Yes, this is very clear from you now. So next comes this bold, italics and underline. These are three very important functions. So how to do this? So at first we have to select it as normal, then we have to do the bold. So this is the bold, this is the italics, and this is the underline. Underline is a variable. Okay, there are more underlines, and there are underline colors also. So if we want to change the underline color, if we want to do green, so see, they are green. Am I correct? Yes. So now what we want to do, if we want to keep off this underlines, then I have to again click this, then the underlines will be gone. Again click this, so that the underlines will come. Okay, so now comes the font color. So how to change the font color? First of all, as common, we have to select it. After selecting, then we have to come this, see, here it is written this font color, and then we have to click this and see there are many colors. You can choose as your desired. So now if I choose this, so see all the, so you can see it black only because it is not so much visible. So see, now you can see the changes. Am I correct? Yes. So the changes are, you can see. Next comes the alignment. So see the alignment, let me cut all. See now, if I write here, okay, if I write my name here, my name is Ranadeep, okay, I have written here. So after writing it, it is on the left side, so this is in the left alignment, and then it is the center alignment, this is the right alignment, and this is the justify. So if we do the center alignment, then it will come in the center. If we do the right alignment, it will come in the right, and this is the justify, means it will be as before. So then comes the bullet. Okay, so see, I have given the bullets. So if I give enter, more bullets will come. So now the bullets of this. So up to this today, so you will learn more in the next class. Thank you very much for seeing my video.